शीतला शस्य श्यामला मातरम वंदे वंदे वंदे। Today we all are gathered here to talk about Kargil Vijay. Let's salute the bravery and courage of our soldiers who protected our country. With this, good morning and blessed. I am Shashank Shankar.
I am Shivanta. We are gathered here for protecting today's morning essay. Now stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. For the prayer, Astama Sadhamaya, followed by various others.
Today's word of the day is don't miss. I repeat my word, don't miss. Its spell is D-A-U-N-T-L-E-S-S and its meaning is not easily excited or worried by something. Now I would like to call Arnav and Maya for the news headlines.
Good morning and Jai everyone. Today's news headlines are: the US has approved the sale of $20 billion worth of arms to Israel, including fighter jets and advanced air-to-air missiles.
Dinesh Pogard has filed an appeal for silver medal in the women's 50 kg event at the Paris Olympics after she was disqualified before the final match due to the 50 kg weight limit.
The Indian Air Force hosted the multilateral air combat exercise Tarak Shakti on August 13.
As cases mount, Bangladesh will decide on seeking Sheikh Hasina extradition, says advisor. As you know, we are celebrating 25th year of Kargil Vijay.
So let's know more about it. I would like to call Anmol for this.
अपनी माँ को खंडित करते तुम्हें शर्म न आई, अपनी माँ को खंडित करते तुम्हें शर्म न आई। अमेरिकी हथियारों से तुम ये युद्ध जीत लोगे ये मत सोचो, कश्मीर कभी हथिया लोगे ये मत सोचो, कश्मीर कभी हथिया लोगे ये मत सोचो। A very emotional, courageous and peaceful speech by Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. यह तो हमारी संस्कृति ही है कि हमने कभी भी युद्ध करना न चाहा। हम सदैव शांति प्रिय तरीके से रहना चाहते थे, चाहते हैं और चाहते रहेंगे। परंतु अगर भविष्य में युद्ध हुआ तो न पीछे हटे थे और न हटेंगे। Kargil was not just a battle; it was a testament to the resilience and heroism of those who fought it. Their legacy is forever imprinted in the heart of a grateful nation, a reminder of the price of freedom and the strength of the human spirit. With this, I would like to check your knowledge. What do you know about the Kargil War? Anyone?
हमारी विजय निश्चित है और हम विजयी होकर दिखाएंगे। स्वतंत्रता, त्याग तेज तप बल से रक्षित यह स्वतंत्रता, दुखी मनुष्यता के हित अर्पित यह स्वतंत्रता। इसे मिटाने की साजिश करने वालों से कह दो चिनगारी का खेल बुरा होता है। इसे मिटाने की साजिश करने वालों से कह दो चिनगारी का खेल बुरा होता है। औरों के घर आग लगाने का जो सपना वह अपने ही घर में सदा खड़ा होता है। अपने ही हाथों तुम अपनी कब्र न खोदो, अपने ही हाथों तुम अपनी कब्र न खोदो, अपने पैरों हाथ कुल्हाड़ी नहीं चलाओ। वो नादान पड़ोसी अपनी आंखें खोलो, आजादी अनमोल है इसका मोल लगाओ। पर तुम क्या जानो आजादी क्या होती है, पर तुम क्या जानो आजादी क्या होती है। तुम्हें मुफ्त में मिली न कीमत गई चुकाई। अंग्रेजों के बल पर 2 टुकड़े पाए हैं, मां को खंडित करके तुमको लाज ना।
श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, अपनी आजादी को तुम कायम रख लोगे अमेरिकी शब्दों से ये मत सोचो, कश्मीर कभी हथिया लोगे ये मत सोचो, कश्मीर कभी हथिया लोगे ये मत सोचो। With this, I would like to call my friend Adarsh to tell us about the location of the Kargil.
In 1999, Kargil was located on the north of India in Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir. But due to the separation of Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, now Kargil is located on the northmost of India and territory Ladakh near line of controls LOC.
In the icy heights of Kargil, where the air is thin and the peak is scraped the heaven, a story of unparalleled valor and sacrifice unfolded. Young soldiers, bravely out of their teens, stood shoulder to shoulder, their hearts burning with courage, facing an invisible army hidden in the shadow of mountain. Now, I would like to call my friend Dev and Amol to tell us about the past wars which were happened before the Kargil war and from where does the conflict started, and Ayush for the impact of the Kargil war.
1946 to 1947, the first Indo-Pakistan war was held in the native state of Jammu and Kashmir. ये लड़ाई लड़ी गई थी क्योंकि पाकिस्तानी सैनिक हमारे भारत पर कब्जा करना चाहते थे।
In 1958, armed disputes between East Pakistan and India took place. In 1965, Pakistan and India had a conflict जिसमें दोनों एक दूसरे की जमीन को लेने की लड़ाई थी and Pakistan wanted to take Kashmir but they failed.
In 1986 to 1987, the India conducted an operation, the longest military operation, from November 1986 to March 1987. यह करने के लिए इंडिया को मजबूर होना पड़ा था क्योंकि वह कोई अचानक हमला नहीं चाहते थे।
Of Kargil war was this: 725 Pakistan soldiers and 424 Pakistan regular soldiers lost their lives. On the other hand, 474 Indian officers were killed, with a further 1109 wounded. And Kargil also marked the turning point between Indo-US relations.
Kargil was not just a battle. Every bullet fired was a promise to protect our families. Every step forward was a testament to their bravery. The nights were cold and endless, filled with the echoes of distant gunfire and the whisper of fallen comrades. Chaos, the soldier clutched a letter from the home, drawing his strength from the words of love and hope written by his mother. Tears froze on his cheek as he remembered her blessing and he pressed on by the dream of returning home. पर वो जीत तो गए परंतु वापस नहीं आ पाए। 527 सोल्जर्स ने अपनी जान खो दी, 527 माओं ने अपने बहादुरों को खो दिया, पत्नियों ने पतियों को और घर में खेलते हुए उस 2 साल के बच्चे ने अपने पिता को।
Yeah, Mom, you are right. A 2-year child playing at home lost his father. Many soldiers, while fighting bravely, lost their life. A real hero of Kargil war, Vikram Batra, was the Indian military officer. A very famous movie is made on his life named Sesa. This movie shows the bravery of Captain, considering him as the main hero. Mr. Vikram Batra was also awarded with Paramveer Chakra. Captain Anuj Nair was the captain of 17th Jet Battalion, is called the Tiger of Dras. He is considered as a valiant hero of the Kargil War. He fought bravely and awarded by Mahavir Chakra and died at the age of 23 to preserve the motherland.
So Kargil witnessed with the bloodshed of many such soldiers, but also an indomitable spirit that refused to go down. When dawn broke, it revealed the sacrifice in the snow. Their spirit will be remembered by their fellow countrymen forever. Their legacy is imprinted in the heart of our grateful nation. वो सिर्फ इतिहास के पन्नों तक ही नहीं सिमट कर रह जाएंगे, वो हमारे दिल में भी बसे रह जाएंगे, वो हमारे दिल में भी बसे रह जाएंगे, क्योंकि इस भारत की रक्षा के लिए, इस तिरंगे की रक्षा के लिए वो इस तिरंगे में ही लिपट गए। इस तिरंगे की रक्षा के लिए वो इस तिरंगे में ही लिपट गए। थैंक यू।
Yes, you can introduce yourself. I am Iris, and now let's begin the quiz. Okay. Are you ready, guys? Yes. So, the first question is, who was known as the Lion Tiger? No, this is wrong answer. Yes, it is the right answer. This is the right answer. So, the second question. What is the nickname of Kargil War? Indian Army launched this operation.
Operation Vision.
That's the right answer. Right answer. Third question. Kargil War Memorial is situated in which way? It is a mountain located in Darjeeling, the Tiger Hill. Yes, it is the right answer. Fourth question. Who was the chief of Indian Army during the Kargil War? Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Now the right answer is General B.P. Malik. His full name is Veer Bhaskar Malik. For how many days Kargil War was continued? 2 months.
Months, 3 weeks, 2 days.
It is the right answer.
Very nice.
No. 1986. No. Close. No. 92. It is the right answer. What was the main cause of the Kargil War?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, one reason behind the Kargil War. The main reason behind maybe your assistance and take your properly, but as far as my information, Pakistan wanted to occupy the east part of related to Jammu and Kashmir. And there was no way how to enter Indian Army because BSF was strictly, they were very alert. And that's why from one district, I'm not sure the name, it started and it took place when General Parveen Musharraf, Pakistani Governor General President, and maybe Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Prime Minister of India, India tried every ways to stop the war. During, I'm 100% sure when war started, that Ramzan festival was going on. So Prime Minister said, Indian Prime Minister, stop for 1 month. जितना मारना है मार लो, 1 महीने में कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, 31वें दिन मेरा अटैक शुरू होगा. It was the statement of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Prime Minister of India. Later it happened long days. How much days?
2 months, 3 weeks.
2 months. But especially if only one region, I'm quite sure not one single reason behind it. Even though you try to see the answer given on the screen, is it discussed with your teachers? can also reply, but in some time. Not right now, I am not able to.
Come together